Hi parents, good evening. My name is Carol Lill and I have your child in Marketing Honors class here at Westchester East. I want to share a little bit with you today about my background, a little bit about our objectives for our class, and also about our East DECA program. So give me a second to just shift gears here very quickly so you're able to see this. So the easiest way for you to contact me is going to be via school email, and if you would like a phone call, then I'm happy to answer your email and then give you a call right back after that, especially in the circumstances that we're in this year. So I've been a member of the East High School staff for 24 years. My first year teaching was at Lower Merion School District in Harridan High School. I attended Bloomsburg University and have a degree in business education, and I also attended Rosemont College, and I have a master's degree in educational technology. We're really big in DECA here at East High School. We have typically one of the first or the second largest chapters in the state of Pennsylvania. I've been an advisor for over 20 years. In addition to being an advisor, I have also served as a workshop leader at the state and national conference for other advisors, and attended the DECA AMP Leadership Academy for advisors in Miami, Florida, as well as this past summer in a remote environment, so the training was offered virtually. Over the summer, I hope that all of you had a good summer. It was a little bit different for everyone, but we spent a lot of time together as a family. This is our daughter, Morgan. She's a junior at the University of South Carolina. She is a business major in the Darla Moore School of Business, and our son, Gavin, is a junior at East High School. So it's completely fine if you feel sorry for him that his mother teaches at the same school that he goes to. This is one of my most favorite classes to teach. This is a quick description for you on what our marketing class is all about. In our marketing class, we try to do a lot of hands-on relevant activities to bring value to the students. And as we do that, we're doing a lot with technology as well. We really believe strongly in project-based learning. Here is a glance at our units of study that we'll be covering this year. So you're going to notice that several of these different items, we have projects that go with each one of those that we're very excited to share with the students. In all of my classes, I always like to have some type of enrichment opportunity that is going to be beyond the regular curriculum. So we have 3 different things that are on our agenda this year. If you notice that it says enrichment opportunity, it is not a requirement for your child. And truthfully, a couple of these we're still trying to work out the kinks just a little bit. So we'll be working with the Trumark Financial Credit Union. They have a student branch in our cafeteria. We're also going to be working with the Artisan Exchange and some of their different food startups they have over there. And then a little bit later on into the spring, we have a project called Pitch Like a Pro, where we work with another local company and we develop a pitch for a marketing issue that they've been having. So because your child is in a business class, they have an opportunity to get involved with East High School DECA. As I mentioned already, we're typically one of the largest chapters in the state, and we take DECA very seriously around here. You can notice right here that these are the different ways that you can follow us on social media channels if you would like to do that. And then every year, children that are members of DECA receive a DECA t-shirt and also a DECA sticker. This is our DECA sticker for this year. It was designed by Anna Arganish, a junior in our program, through a DECA sticker design contest last spring. So obviously we have a different year that we have to roll out, but we have quite a few new initiatives that we're working on for your children. These are examples of 6 different initiatives that we have, and everything that we're always doing is trying to bring value to what the students are doing in class, open up their eyes to some experiences that are going on outside of class and in the world. And you can see that through these different items, we've got community service related things, leadership related items, and also competitions. I do have much more information to share with you about our DECA program. If you would like to attend a Zoom meeting on Wednesday night, October 7th at 7 o'clock, that will be recorded and you can view that at any time you would like. Your children have all heard this information in class, and they'll just have to decide if they would like to become a member of this program or not. What you're looking at in this picture are all of the students that attended the state conference last year in Hershey, and then from this group we would have had 31 students that were supposed to move on to the international competition in Nashville, which of course was canceled due to the pandemic. So again, this was Marketing Honors. My name is Carol Lill. The easiest way to reach me is via email, clill@wcasd.net. Thank you for your time and have a wonderful evening.